Hey, welcome to SPN News. A video depicting an armed police officer fatally beating a man at Manchester Airport in the UK has sparked outrage and demands for action. The footage, which has circulated on social media, shows the officer pointing a gun at the man before beating him and then targeting another individual, knocking them down and stomping on their head. Former Crown Chief Prosecutor Nazir Afzal condemned the officer's actions as unjustified and called for accountability. The incident involved a British family of Pakistani origin and occurred after an altercation at the airport's Terminal 2, resulting in injuries to police officers, including a broken nose for one female officer. Greater Manchester Police GMP stated that the Directorate of Professional Standards is investigating the matter. 4 individuals were detained on suspicion of violence against the police, and there was concern that the officers' weapons could have been seized during the altercation. The Independent Office for Police Conduct IOPS is also aware of the video and has reached out to GMP for information, although the police have not formally referred the incident to the IOPS for investigation.